In this video, I'll show you how to find your email address on Binance. First, open the Binance app on your phone or go to the Binance website and log in to your account. Make sure you are using the official Binance platform because your email address is part of your account security and login information. Once you are logged in on the Binance app, start from the home screen. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner. This will open your account menu, where you can see your profile details, security settings, rewards, and other account options. Near the top of this menu, Binance may show your account name, nickname, user ID, phone number, or email address. If your email is visible there, you can simply check it from this screen. In some cases, Binance may hide part of the email for security, so you may only see a masked version, such as the first few letters and the email domain. If you do not see your email on the main profile page, go to Security or Account Security. This section shows the login and verification methods connected to your Binance account. Look for email address, email verification, or account email. Tap that option to view the email connected to your Binance account. Binance may show the full email address or a partially hidden version, depending on your security settings and region. If you are using Binance on a computer, click your profile icon in the top right corner after logging in. Then open Account, Dashboard, or Security. Look for the email section inside your account details or security settings. Your Binance email address is the email used for login verification, account alerts, password resets, withdrawal confirmations, and security notifications. It is important to keep this email secure and make sure only you can access it. If the email shown is old or no longer accessible, go to Security, choose Email Address, and select Change or Edit to update it. Binance may ask you to verify your identity before changing the email. And that's how you find your email address on Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.